Hello everyone, I'm Dynamite and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro, the silver one. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first we have the box. It's all nice and cellophaned. It's got the writing on the back which gives a brief description. I'll put a picture up on so you can have a read if you wish to. Just quickly go through it. It just says includes iPhone 11 Pro, earpods with lightning connector, USB-C to lightning cable and USB-C power adapter. It's also got this little tab on it here which I really like. So moving on, let's peel this tab off and see what we've got. Oh, this is very satisfying. Oh, so it peels off like so. Open it up. Oh, that's very nice packaging, isn't it? Put this over to one side, and here we have it. Nice matte box. Oh, textured top with the where the iPhone is, and nice logos all round. iPhone both sides, Apple logo either end. Alright, so we lift the lid. And there we have the iPhone 11 Pro, the silver one. Looks very white, to be honest. Nice matte finish on the back. Screen protector on it. And the raised, I don't know if you can see it properly on here. I'll put a stock image up as well so you can just see the raised where the cameras are. You've got your 3 cameras on the back with your LEDs. Obviously they are the 12 megapixel standard snap lens, your 12 megapixel ultra wide 120 degree lens, and your 12 megapixel telephoto lens. Not too bad in the hand. It weighs 188 grams. Dimensions 144 71 and 8.1 millimeters, that is. It's got a 5.8 inch screen with a Super Retina XDR display. This is the 256 gigabyte option. IP68. No headphone jack still from Apple. They removed it. They aren't going back. So if you haven't got AirPods or some other wireless headphone, you need an adapter. So onto the battery. Apparently the battery on this will last 4 hours longer than the iPhone XS, but that I would not know without looking and testing. Alright, let's go into the further contents of the box. Let's take the phone back out. Put that somewhere because I've not got a case for it yet. So in the box, take this little tab out that was under the phone, and in here we have some Apple stickers, a hello manual. I say manual, use that term very loosely, and then just some, oh, here's you've got your little pin for taking your SIM card out, and then we go into the bottom of the box. Here we have this little cube, which is your power brick. And if you peel that away, it's quite weighty, this as a power brick. It's a lot heavier than I would expect. Oh, that's a nice little spring design. Look at that. Anyway, we're not here to look at the power brick. Then next we have the USB-C earpods. Open them up, you've got your USB-C, excuse me, lightning connecting earpods, and below that we have our lightning cable, which looks grey in this light, but I'm pretty sure it's white. Yeah. So, brief review. Packaging, very nice, very good job. Best bits for me, I really like the embossed bit on the box. I love the way everything was stacked nice and neatly and how it all fits nicely back in here. You know, it's so quick and simple. You can put this back together in a matter of seconds. And then a bit of a highlight, but I just love this. How good is that? Love that. Back to the actual phone. Feels really nice in my hand. Can't wait to try out the different lenses, get some great pictures with it. I do want to do a video comparing the photos that you can get on this to the iPhone X, which will be my next video. So if you want to see that, be sure to stop by again. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.